Welcome back to episode 5, I believe, of Red Crucible Firestorm. And today we're going to try and go on another massive killing spree. And yeah, and if we do that, we might actually level up. And then we're going to get that sweet AKA. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And yeah, enjoy the video. Let's see if anyone's over here. No, this isn't the super rapid one. Going under the bridge here. Gonna try and take out that helicopter. Alright, I want that helicopter in sight. Alright, I killed it. We're gonna go up here and see if we can take B. Because I really want to win this one. Oh crap, what's shooting me? He had no chance. Wait a second. I didn't get that damn kill? Did I get that kill over there? I think he already got me. I already got him. Can't believe I didn't get that first kill right there. That's some bull. I'm trying not to swear as much, guys, because some parents don't let you listen to YouTube swearing, which I'm not saying is wrong or anything. He fucking RPG'd me, that bitch. So I did say I wasn't gonna swear a lot, and then I just said bitch. Alright, from now on. What team are we again? Oh, we're red. Oh crap. Ooh, I want that tank. Yes, we got missiles. Alrighty. Let's go over here. See if we can kill him. Can I hit him? Come on, this guy's being stupid. What was he even doing up there? I'm probably gonna name the video Stupid Helicopter Man. Just an evening stroll with my tank. The usual. Right now they are beating us by a bunch. God, what's hitting me? Honestly, it's just a dude. I'm not even gonna pay attention. I wanna like destroy tanks and stuff. We have to own B. Yep, please take it over. Crap, he's not even in there. Can someone please take this over? Because I don't want to get out. Oh, we got another helicopter. Come on. I can destroy it. Yeah! I got it. He's getting out of his tank, so let's see what his tank health is at. Oh geez, this guy's health is pretty good. He's gonna be pissed off. Okay, that was out of nowhere. Are we taking B yet? No, we are not. That might be a problem. What is my KD at? 4-1. Okay, that is still pretty good. Anyone over here? Oh shit. Hit him. Come on, come on. Yeah, I got him. Build it. Well, he did a decent amount of damage to me. Alright, we're gonna hide in these little bushes over here. Hopefully they will never find us. Let's go V mode. Yeah, they'll never find us. Pop should go third person on. Shit. No, that was not a smart choice by me. Oh my god. Stupid helicopter drivers. So I just one hitting hordes, all of them. Even my own team. Like, what are you doing? Okay, that's good. I am 5-2 right now. Thought I just saw someone. Haha, miss. Crap, that wasn't a miss. Crap, he's gonna fly above me, then I'm probably not gonna be able to hit him. Come on. What was he doing? I would have jumped out. He used a lot of my bullets. Is that an enemy? I really hope it is. Oh. Come on, get back in your damn vehicle. Where'd you go? Where did that son of a gun go? Oh, there he is. They're trying to hide from me, I see. They're scared. I got an itch in my leg. Oh boy. I need to go down for the itch. There we go. Who the hell is shooting me? Come on. Ooh, that crit. Damn, I should name this episode Killing Spree 2. Jukes. Oh shit. Yeah, I got that Killing Spree. I should do Killing Spree episode 5. I believe this is the 5th, right? I've lost track. So we are probably gonna lose this round, but I might get to level 3. Hopefully. But yeah, I think I cut it out of the video. Yes, last video. I actually got sentry guns. 2 of them though. It's 4 to place. I want to save them for like the best emergency. Yeah, I posted like over 8 videos this one day. Well, actually, like 10. Alright. Who just shot me? Oh. That bitch. No, come on. That's like an armored tank right there. The YW. Oh, curse you, YW. Fun of the YW. Ooh. Why am I singing? I suck at singing. The tank is flaming. I don't want to destroy it. It's right by this new tank. This is my second favorite tank. My first one is the missile one, like full missile. But this one's pretty cool too. No doubt about it. Well, all the tanks are cool, but there's something about this one that really brings out its hell. Is that bitch still up there? Oh no, that's a plant. Never mind. Alright, who the hell is shooting me again? Damn it. Who's shooting me? Oh my god, he's all the way over there. Don't have time for this. Shit, it's bumpy. Haha. I win this, guys. Tell me. Oh my god, I won it! Clutch. Oh my goodness. Clutch. I want to get over. There we go. My TV is so loud. This tank is about dead. Imagine if we win this, the epic comeback would be real if we could. What the fuck? Yeah, one missile to me, then I'm dead. Goodness. No one's in there, that's good. Well, let's screw it. Since my tank is such low health, I might as well just come in. Can't deploy that there. Crap, I knew I wasn't alone. Do we have a spawn camper here? What the hell is he doing? Okay, this episode is going to be killing spree / stupid helicopter drivers. Look at that. Can I destroy this? Hold on here. 8. How do I? Oh my god, is it just like, is it like deployed? Oh, it's G, okay. Now let me just destroy it. This doesn't work, guys. Then nothing will. I should have probably got it closer. Right, well, still. Okay, now I know how to do stuff. Throw stuff, I mean. Okay, let's see. I'm not trying to kill it. Yeah. Guys, I think that's a good place to end the episode there. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.